Yo, my people, what is cracking? I don't know if I've mentioned this yet, but I love looking at departure boards and imagining where I could go. Particularly like looking at them in Europe, where there are lots of places in the Middle East and Central Asia that I've never been to before, and I sometimes don't even recognize the cities on the departure boards. But you can see today there's a lot of red. That's because here at John F. Kennedy there's a big snowstorm that's blowing through and delaying everything. But let's see if I can do this. See up here, my flight to Ithaca is currently not in red, so I'm gonna go check back in. Now that I got my luggage all sorted out, you can see there's a little bit of a holiday theme going on up there in the JFK Terminal 4. And yeah, I'm gonna go have another quick look at the snow. You know how much I love the snow. And then I'll check back in.